When it comes to spending time in the great outdoors, not everything green is good. Take harmful algae blooms. These natural organisms produce toxins that can make people sick, especially when they invade drinking water. That's what the city of Salem, Oregon was worried about, so they hired Casne.
In 2018, there was harmful algae bloom on Detroit Lake, and understanding what caused a harmful algae bloom and understanding when this might happen again, they first needed to get a whole slew of new data, a pontoon from the company YSI that floats on the lake, that has depth measurements, algae levels, weather data coming into the PI system, turbidity, satellite imagery, lab samples. Everything from these different sources was brought into OCS. Finally, it included ecologists and doctorates in mathematics who could take all this information and put together a reliable, predictable data science model. There were a lot of players involved, and OCS really helped make it easier to share that data. Since it's already in the cloud, you don't need to have a VPN from your PI system, each individual player. You can give them a login to OCS and help them access the data. And the data science enablement, the data structures in OCS allowed other companies to take the data from OCS, run their analytics on it, bring that back into OCS, and then we can feed that to the city of Salem's PI system. The city of Salem was able to see ahead of time what the harmful algae bloom and cyanotoxin levels were in their water source so that they could take the appropriate action, change the pumps, add a filter, change the filters, or redirect in order to ensure that they've always got clean, safe drinking water for the city of Salem.
Now, instead of having to scramble to respond to harmful algae blooms, the city of Salem can plan ahead. The prediction model built with OCS gives the city a warning 1 week before a bloom is expected. No one has to worry about unsafe drinking water. Life is unpredictable these days, so when you can predict something, you should.